Next on our lineup, we have Mr. Bobby Levine, CEO and founder of Digestate Organics, hailing from Michigan. Bobby, you're next on the lineup.
All right. Well, thanks, Brandon, and thanks everyone for taking the time to join us this morning to learn about how Digestate Organics is addressing the manure challenge. As many of you know, there are millions upon millions of gallons of manure land applied each year without any treatment. On one hand, this is fertilizer for farmers. On the other hand, this practice leads to global warming, nutrient runoff, pathogen contamination of groundwater. Today, there's a strong trend towards larger and larger farms and centralized digesters, so these challenges are being exacerbated. And for farmers trying to make ends meet selling milk or meat, there are rising costs associated with tightening regulations. Digestate Organics meets these challenges head-on by using filtration to transform manure into clean water, concentrated fertilizers, and renewable energy. We have two core filtration technologies I'm going to talk about today. The first is stainless steel ultrafiltration. We pump manure inside porous stainless membrane tubes. All the suspended solids, phosphorus, and pathogens stay inside the tube, while water and dissolved salts pass through the wall. We call this clarified liquid the UF permeate, or T-water. The system is incredibly simple and robust. There are no moving parts inside the filter, just a centrifugal pump to circulate the manure. The membrane tubes are designed to last 10 to 15 years, and our modules can easily be sized for any size manure flow, so it's incredibly scalable. This is a picture of a UF system that's been operating on a dairy farm in Wisconsin for over 3 years. Here you see a picture of dairy manure on the left and UF permeate on the right. The UF has concentrated about 95% of the phosphorus, essentially all of the suspended solids and pathogens, and most of the volatile solids into just 25% of the manure volume. The permeate is ideal for irrigation since it won't clog nozzles, has no pathogens, and just a trace amount of phosphorus. And the UF concentrate is an organic fertilizer, ideal for cost-effective land application, composting, or recycling to anaerobic digesters to enhance biogas yields. We recently completed trials as part of the Vermont Phosphorus Innovation Challenge that demonstrated how the UF can concentrate phosphorus from manure and help create stabilized compost products. Our second technology is called two-step reverse osmosis. This utilizes patented forward osmosis technology to literally pull the water out of the UF permeate. This creates a second fertilizer product, which is rich in ammonia, nitrogen, and potassium, along with clean water for reuse. Compared to other conventional approaches like evaporation, this system is significantly less expensive. The farm you've just seen pictures of is set up with both a permitted discharge to a nearby river, as well as to reuse the water for cow drinking water. We love to give tours, and you get a free mug if you stop by and take a sip. All of our solutions are fully automated, and we provide our users with an online dashboard we call Geometrics to track how the system is performing and provide feedback towards sustainability goals. Combined, we call our solution the Nutrient Concentration and Water Reclamation System, or NCWR for short. This graphic shows the integrated process. Manure or digestate is first screw pressed to remove large fibers. The fiber is typically used as bedding or composted, and the liquid pressate is then ultrafiltered, creating UF permeate or T-water and UF concentrate. The UF permeate is then dewatered in the two-step RO, creating clean water and FO concentrate. Overall, we can achieve about a 65% recovery of water from raw manure. The benefits for the farmer are tremendous. He or she achieves lower manure hauling and spreading costs, increased lagoon storage capacity, fewer trucks on the roads and fields, and reduced fresh water consumption. For project developers, our system can reduce the cost of bringing raw manure to digesters by pre-concentrating it, and it can reduce digestate management costs at a centralized facility. To give you a sense of the cost, we typically produce UF permeate for about ½ cent per gallon of manure or digestate, and can produce water for about 1.5 cents per gallon, which is far less than most hauling and spreading costs. The opportunity for our technology to make an impact is huge. In the top 10 states alone, there are over 2,000 dairy farms and 4,700 hog farms, which would be good candidates. To date, we have 3 commercial farm installations and several large projects in the works. With these systems running, we expect to be filtering over 1 million gallons of manure every day by early next year. We also deploy our systems at food and beverage facilities and industrial sites like food waste digesters.
30 seconds, Bobby.
Opportunity, we have put together a stellar team with a diverse background in engineering, wastewater treatment, manufacturing, and agriculture. Our main office is in Detroit, Michigan, and we have Don Heilman in Wisconsin and Bill Guarini in New York, along with other sales representatives throughout the country. In closing, I want to thank you for your time and attention. And please give us a call or reach out to us online to learn more about how we can help you reclaim your waste. Thank you very much.